Touching it, I can't believe it.
Rosemary's borrowed kitchen equipment is causing her grief.
The car's up with this silly knife. Look, look, it's got a look how it's going. Come with this, here, perfect. Perfect, good.
On the move, dung beetles roll their balls backwards. They don't really know where they're going.
And all we're going to do is peel the pears, but leave the little stalk. You see that little stalk? How can you see it when you're not looking at me? Yeah.